This video is for learning how to import a project into Eclipse IDE. So when do you want to do that? Sometimes you work on different computers, or you take examples that I provide and you want to open them on your computer. So that's when you need to know how to import a project. So here I provide the steps. What you have to do is open IDE, Eclipse IDE, and then do File, Import General Existing Project, then browse to the project that you want to import and select it and click Finish. So let's see how I would do it. Let's say I am on eCentennial, and in the overview I provided to you my GitHub location for this semester, where I will be posting the examples. So these are our class examples. I will hit clone or download, and I will do download, and I will download on a desktop. So it is still downloading. This will take a while, so I will pause the video until it's completed and then come back and show you the rest of the steps. Alright, so the download is completed. Let me unzip this. Extract. So it's getting extracted right here on my desktop. In the meantime, I will start the IDE, a new one. I have one open, but I'll start new one. And I will create new workspace actually. This one was for my own examples, but now, like if I was a student, something that I create on my own, but I will create another workspace that I will use for examples that I get from other people, from online, from GitHub, from the instructor. So here on the desktop, I will put Java 228 examples. So this will be just examples I collect from wherever. So this is a workspace, and launch. In the meantime, let's open up this folder to see what's inside. So here we have master, and then the two things. I could actually navigate into this master, and but what I will do, I will just make a copy of these two projects. I don't need git ignore, I just need these two projects. Copy, and I'll put them into my workspace that I just created. I do that just in case that I might be playing around with these examples and modifying them. So I don't want to modify the original copy. I just want to have a separate copy. So this one will be the one that I will be playing with, and this one will stay intact, that if I break the other ones, I always have the backup. Alright, so IDE has started. And so file, what did we say? Import. And then if I open general, existing projects into workspace, next. Select root directory, so browse, and I'm already there. These are the examples. Select folder, and the two projects appearing, these are the projects that I want to see, and hit finish. Careful to navigate different places. Make sure that you navigate, otherwise you might not see the projects. But here we go. So these are all our examples from our class. We can view them, we can run them. There's the driver class that's starting this little application. So I guess this one we did practice with classes and creating objects from these classes. As you remember, this is the class house right here, house with the keyword class. So that's how we know this is a class. And these are objects. All of these are objects. We're creating objects. We created 3 objects from one house class. All right, so this is the import, how to import projects.